In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on Framer. First, open a modern browser and go to framer.com. Framer is a web-based design and prototyping tool, so everything happens right inside your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the editor is ready. If you're returning to a project you've been working on, Framer will take you right back into the workspace. And if it's your first time today, just make sure the site finishes loading so all the tools are available and responsive. Next, head to your project canvas. The canvas is the big open area where your design lives, the place you place frames, components, and, in our case, text. Think of it as your digital artboard. When you're on the canvas, you can see your layout at a glance. Position elements with precision, and preview how everything fits together. Take a second to center the area where you want to add your text so you're focused and ready. Now, look toward the top left corner of the editor for the T icon. That T is the text tool. Click it to activate text mode. When it's selected, your cursor changes to indicate that you're ready to create a text layer. This lets Framer know that whatever you do next is all about text, so you won't accidentally move other elements or switch tools. If the toolbar feels crowded, hover briefly and you'll see labels that confirm you're on the right icon. With the text tool active, simply type on your keyboard. Start writing your headline, a button label, a caption, or a paragraph, whatever your design needs. You can keep typing to continue a sentence, press enter to move to a new line, and use simple punctuation to keep your content clear and scannable. As you type, watch how the text appears directly on the canvas, giving you immediate visual feedback so you can judge length and readability in context. Keep your copy concise and purposeful. Short headlines grab attention, while slightly longer body text can explain features or instructions. If you're drafting content, it's fine to start with a working line and refine it once you see how it sits with surrounding elements. Aim for contrast with the background so text reads easily, and consider tone, friendly for onboarding, direct for calls to action, and neutral for labels. That's it. Go to framer.com, move to your project canvas, click the T icon, and type. This simple flow is the fastest way to add meaningful content to your design. When you're done drafting, you can continue building your layout or come back to polish the wording later. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.